$100 a day. That is the result of a formula that I learnt about and I'm considering experimenting with. And in this video, I'm going to share with you the formula as well as product examples that you can go and try in a particular niche, right? Now, if you're curious to find out more about that, let's get into it. I'll show you on the whiteboard now. So here's the outline of that $100 per day formula, and let's get into it. You've got a front-end product that sells for $17. You've got an order bump that sells for $39. One-time offer that sells for $21, and a one-time offer number 2 that sells for $35. And don't stress, I'm going to give you actual examples of this right now. And here's a thank you page that has other products that they can go off and buy in your store. Then they can subscribe to your offer, a subscription offer for $7 to $30 a month. Picked the gardening niche, okay, and this is a weed puller, and this is the product that sells for $17. Next product that you would sell as an order bump is someplace to put the pesky weeds for $40, and it's a pop-up dustbin. And then you've got a 63-piece gardening set, alright, that looks like that sells for $22. And then you've got this kind of like chair foam portable garden kneeler thing that once you've been plucking out all your weeds and your knees are sore and your back is sore and you need to start sitting down somewhere, then you sell them that.